What's good, you guys? R&R Motorsports back at you guys with another one. Today we have some tinted reflectors for the E70 X5. They're the dark smoke, so it looks pretty similar to the black paint. On one side, I'll show you guys now, it has an orange reflector. It's a pretty simple install. There's two ways you guys can do it. You can go on the fender liner in the front, remove like 2 or 3 of the bolts, and then just like wiggle your way in there and pop it out. It's like clipped in with like one clip. I'm gonna do it, since I'll show you guys in the front when I do it. I have the 2 lower front bumper inserts out because I'm installing LEDs there. So I'm just gonna get in right now and put these in, just because it'll be easier for me to do it from the front. But yeah, if you guys don't want to take out your bumper inserts, there are a couple clips to get out. If you don't want to do those, you could just turn your lock your wheel all the way the opposite way when you do the left, and then lock your wheel all the way to the left when you want to do the right side. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into this install. So pretty much I have this hole in my bumper from the accident, and I can like literally just reach in and do the reflector like that. So yeah, if you guys don't have that hole in your bumper, you could just take out these 3 clips right here and then just reach it from your fender liner. So that's what it looks like empty. And then as you guys can see, the black reflector, just so it's not orange. I'll show you guys what the orange looks on the other side after I install it. But pretty much I just have to remove the tape. I just cleaned it with a little bit of this Next Gen ceramic spray. Shout out to Next Gen, they actually sent this to me for free. I was actually in the middle of moving, so I never got to do the review for them, but don't think I forgot about you guys. I'll get to this soon. I'm just a procrastinator. So I just wiped it down and then pretty much just 3M tapes and fills that hole. So that's what they look like installed. It almost looks like the black color from the factory, but it's not. It's tinted dark black. And then for comparison, this is what the other side looks like for you guys. The black definitely looks a lot cleaner. So that's the black reflector. On this side, you kind of can't see it because it blends in with the car. But yeah, this is the old one. And I didn't get to record. The GoPro kind of died while we were doing it. But basically what you have to do is, pretty much when this old one's on the car, it's the same thing. It's just 3M taped on both sides. So what you want to do is just push this off the bumper. It's going to take a little bit of force because it'll be stuck on there. So you literally just have to get like a tool or something and just push, and it'll literally just like pop out. So you pretty much just grab this like this and you just push until it comes out to remove it. But yeah, the smoked ones definitely look a lot cleaner, and now there's no orange on my car. So I'll show you guys the other side too. No orange at all. So it's a nice clean mod. It's pretty cheap. It's like 20-30 bucks, and it definitely makes the side profile of your car look a lot cleaner. So with that, I'll catch you on the next one. I'm out.